Hey guys, to start this video off, we are going to prime with our P. Louise eyeshadow primer, and then we're going to go into this gorgeous, amazing Muse collection from Ditto Cosmetics. Oh my gosh, these palettes, you guys, they are amazing. They are all inspired by goddesses. So you have Hera, Athena, and Aphrodite, and oh my gosh, they are so amazing. This one is the Aphrodite Ditto Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. It is so pretty. And then the next one is the Athena, which is personally my favorite, and it has lots of really good earthy tones. And then Hera. These palettes are all so beautiful, guys. I will link Ditto Cosmetics website down below in the description. Today we're going to be going in with the Athena palette, and we're going to take this medium brown color and put it into our crease, making sure to build up the color and blend it out as we go. And once we have that blended out and the opacity that we are wanting it to be, we are then going to go in with this mossy dark green color, put it on a flat brush, and we're going to pack that onto our outer portion of the eye, really building the color up. And once we have that opacity to our liking, we're going to then pack it on to our inner portion of our eye. As you guys can see, we're going to be doing and building a halo eye look today. Once we have the opacity built up on the outer and inner portion of our eye, we're going to then go in and start to just blend it around the edges so that there are no harsh lines. Then we're going to be going in with this gorgeous gold color, and we are going to go in with our finger and just pack this into the center of our eye. After we have that packed on, we're going to go in again with the darker color and just run that along the bottom portion of our eye and blend it out. And then we're going to move on to the liner. Today we're going to be using this Epic Wear liner by NYX, and we're going to just draw on our wing. Then we are going to tightline and waterline our eyes with a kohl liner and pop on our mascara, and then realize that we don't really need any lashes with this look because it looks good with just mascara. And then we're going to take down our hair and just style it really fast and move on to the lips. Today I'm going to be taking Cola by Juvia's Place as our liner, lining our lips. And if you guys didn't know, this is probably one of my favorite lip liners ever because it's so creamy and it lasts a pretty long time. Then we're going to be filling this in with a Wet n Wild lipstick, Mochalicious, and we are just going to blend the liner out with that color. And then we're going to go into the center of that lip with the Wet n Wild lipstick in Never Nude, and that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a like, and I will see you in my next video. I love y'all. Bye!